We're back with another one. Yes, 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 I'm not stopping yet. Another one. A Python exercise called return a sorted list of objects. Yep, it is Codewars. So in Python, objects are going to be dictionaries. Return a sorted list of dictionaries. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Fired up. You fired up like I am? Ready to rock it. Whatever that means. All right, you're going to be passed an array of objects. Really, in Python, you're going to be passed a list of dictionaries called list. You got to sort them in descending order based on the value of the specified property sort by. Where it says specified property sort by, this is really key. You're going to be sorting them by the key, but really you're going to be sorting it by that key's value, because the value is the value. Values are going to be numbers, and you're going to use the numbers for sorting. So when it says sort them in descending order, that's important. Descending order based on the value of the property, it means sort them in descending order based on the value of the key. So given that explanation, let's take a look at a sample piece. Down here, we have a list of dictionaries. These are all individual dictionaries. And so we're supposed to sort by a key. Sort the list of dictionaries by a key. And when sorted by A, so here we're supposed to sort by A, you look at all the A's in the dictionaries, we have 1, 3, 2, 4. It says sort in descending order based on the key. So the values we have are 1, 3, 2, 4. They're going to turn into 4, 3, 2, 1, being in descending order. And what you have to do programmatically is move the dictionaries around so that they match this order. So the one that has 4 is the one on the bottom, and it's got this B12 with it. This B12 is just going to be along for the ride. So what will happen is this dictionary, this whole dictionary, A4B12, is going to go to the top, and then 3, the one with 3, the A3B2 is going to go under it, and so on and so forth. So you're going to sort it, or it is going to be sorted by the values of A in this case, and the whole dictionaries are going to move around. And so let's look down below and see what the outcome is down here, where we see that, yeah, A4, 3, 2, 1. Now this dictionary, or actually this list of dictionaries, has been sorted by the key A. Really the values of A. And really the other value or actually the other key or keys are just along for the ride. When you sort them, you're going to move the whole dictionary to sort, based on the value of one of the keys. So an interesting concept here. So let's dive into the code, see what we got here. Alrighty, so I'll leave that return. So I'm going to get I'm going to get a list of dictionaries, and I'm gonna sort them and put them into a new list. So I'm gonna create a list called new list. This is going to be my new list of dictionaries once they are sorted, and I'm sorting them by the values of a certain key. So I'm going to create a list of vowels where I'm actually going to extract all the values that I need to sort them, and then go back to the dictionary, or actually go back to the list of dictionaries and do the sorting in some kind of way. You'll see it later on. So first I am going to loop through this list. Remember, well, not remember, but maybe you just don't know, the arguments or the parameters here, they are sort by, which is the key. Sort by is the key, or sorting by. LST is the list of dictionaries, the list of dictionaries. So I'm going to loop through the list of dictionaries, and what I'm going to do as I loop through the list of dictionaries, I'm going to get the values for that key that I'm going to sort by. I'm going to isolate the values, and then I'm going to sort those values. And now that I think about this a little bit, it's probably a better way to do this than I'm doing it, but there always is, so oh well. All right, so what I'm doing here is LST index I is one of the dictionaries, and then I'm indexing into that dictionary using the key to get a value. So really, for each dictionary, I'm getting the value associated with the key that I need to sort by. And I'm just isolating the values in a list, and then I'm going to sort them. And this will occur after the list. We'll do it like this. What I want to do actually is I'm going to remove duplication, then I'm going to turn it into a list, and then I'm going to sort it. And sorting in reverse, or actually in descending order. So yeah, that option reverse sorts it in descending order. So what I just did here is took the list of values, turned it into a set to remove duplication, turned it back into a list, and then on the next line I sorted the list. And now I'm going to go back into the dictionary and pull out the dictionaries in the order that I want them to be in. And the order will be according to the order of the sorted list that I just sorted. And that list is vowels. So I'm going to loop through vowels. And then I'm going to do an inner loop, looping through the list of dictionaries. And what I'm going to do is, as I loop through the list of dictionaries, I'm going to find the dictionary that corresponds, or find the dictionary that has the value that I'm isolated on, and that key, I guess you could say, or actually, I'm going to loop through and find the key value pair that I have the value for. And I'm going to take that whole dictionary and put it really in the order of the values. That's how it's going to work. Hopefully you're following that. I'm barely following it myself, but maybe it'll become clearer when I put it in the code. All right, what I'm doing here is in the inner loop, I'm looping through the list of dictionaries, and then for each dictionary, if I find the value that I'm isolated on and it belongs with that key that we're sorting by, I'm going to go ahead and append this entire dictionary to my new list of dictionaries because it'll be in the order that I want. Basically, I'm using the order of vowels, which is sorted, to pull out the dictionaries in the order of the sorted list of values. Because for each value in the list of values, I'm cycling through the dictionaries until I get the one that has this value, and then I'm copying it into my new list. And yeah, this is just copying the whole dictionary based on the key value pair that I am finding. And I can clear some white space here and use the return and just return my new list. And it is LIST for new list. Just looking it over. A lot going on. Yeah, this is a good exercise in dictionary tomfoolery, dictionary manipulation. Sorted. What? Where did this come from? I don't remember typing that. Or any of this. Weird. Was I high? Alright. Impressive. Alrighty, folks. That is, what's the name of this sucker? Return a sorted list of objects. Here's the code, yeah. Return a sorted list of objects. Codewars, Python, ready to roll. All good. You guys do it. Tell me about it. That's it for me. I am out.